Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to delete all address in Shein application on an Android device. Well, having multiple outdated addresses in your account can lead to confusion and mistakes when selecting a shipping address during checkout. So, deleting all addresses eliminates the risk of accidentally selecting the wrong address and ensures that only valid accurate addresses are available for use. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. Firstly, open Shein application. Well, and here tap the profile icon in the bottom corner. After that, look for settings icon and then tap on it. Okay, so in this page, you can select address book option and simply tap the trash icon under the address you want to remove from your Shein account. Okay, so now the old address is successfully removed. Well, that's the tutorial on how to delete all address in Shein application on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.